Once again, thanks for tuning in. Holly Shields here for kalkinemedia. Some Canadian stocks have been a hot favorite with investors and have high trading volumes. Many of these companies have navigated the pandemic remarkably well and recently paid dividends or are expected to roll out fresh dividends soon. Some have a good return on assets, or ROA, and return on equity, or ROE, as compared to the peer companies. So with that in mind, let's check out 10 hot Canadian stocks you'll want to get in on in August. But before we get into it, please give our channel a sub and hit that bell icon to stay ahead of the game. First up is Telus Corporation, one of the leading wireless service providers in Canada. It also provides internet, telephone, and landline services that cater to industries like agriculture, health, and security. The stock price closed at 27.71 Canadian on the 30th of July and is trading nearly 1% below its 52-week high of 28.30 Canadian. Telus' stock price climbed up only 20% in the past year. In the second quarter of fiscal year 21, the operating revenue and other income stood at 4.1 billion Canadian, up 10.3% year over year. The net income for the quarter was at 344 million. The company announced a quarterly dividend of 0.316 Canadian to be paid on the 10th of October, yielding 4.56%. Next is Royal Bank of Canada, one of the leading banks in the country with a diversified business model offering wealth management, personal banking, and commercial banking services. The stock closed at 125.7 Canadian, trading 38% above its 52-week high of 90.7, and has spiked up nearly 32% in the last 9 months. The bank posted a revenue of over 11 billion Canadian dollars for the quarter ending April 30, down from 10.4 billion a year ago. The net income for the quarter stood at 4 billion. The company expects to roll out the next set of quarterly dividends of 1.08 Canadian apiece on the 20th of August. The dividends yield is 3.42% as well. The company holds an earnings per share of 9.85. Following Royal Bank of Canada is Timbercreek Financial Corp, one of the top dividend-paying stocks on the TSX. The $756 million company is engaged in the business of commercial real estate lending. It also provides customizable financing to real estate investors. The investors expect the next monthly dividend of 0.058 Canadian to be paid on the 13th of August. The dividends have been historically yielding 7.11%, and the average 5-year dividend growth has been at 12.39%. The stock is currently trading at 9.59 Canadian, and the EPS of the company stands at 0.49. The recent quarterly report highlighted net investable income of 22.4 million in the first quarter, compared to a net investable income of 24 million in the first quarter of last year. It also delivered an income payout ratio of 91.2%. Fourth on our list is Nuvei Corporation. The fintech company provides payment solutions ranging from mobile payments, online payments, and in-store payments. It has a market cap of 14.97 billion. The stock closed at 102.49 Canadian and is trading nearly 3% below its 52-week high. Nuvei posted volume growth of 132% year over year, revenue growth of 80% as well. The company added new alternate multiple payment methods in several countries to reach a count of 470 at the end of the quarter. The stock holds a price-to-book value of 7.84 and a debt-to-equity ratio of 0.15. Number 5 on our list is Constellation Software, another leasing Canadian software company, which develops and customizes private and public sector undertakings. It operates in Australia, North and South America as well. The market cap stands at 42.35 billion, and the stock closed their day's trading at 1,998.43 apiece. CSU stock returned nearly 26% in the past year. The revenue in the first quarter increased by 23% year over year to reach $1.1 billion from $953 million in the first quarter of FY 2020, including an organic growth of over 6%. However, the net loss at the end of the quarter was $175 million US. The company paid a recent quarterly dividend of $1 on the 10th of July. The historical dividend yield was at 0.24%, and the company stands on an EPS of 20.58 and a return on assets of 7.51%. If you like this info, please give us a like, comment, and a share. For regular updates, head to our website at kalkinemedia.com. This has been Holly Shields for Kalkinemedia.